Hello, welcome to Math Focus. How to solve for x from this given nice equation 16 raised to power x minus 1 over x multiplied by 5 raised to power x is equal to 100. Solution. (16 raised to power x minus 1 over x multiplied by 5 raised to power x is equal to 100. Now let's consider this exponent. S minus 1 over s is equal to s over s minus 1 over x. This will cancel this. This is equal to 1 minus 1 over x. Then this can be written as 16 raised to power 1 minus 1 over x multiplied by 5 raised to power x is equal to 100. If you have a raised to power m minus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power minus n. Then this can be written as 16 raised to power 1 multiplied by 16 raised to power 1 over x multiplied by 5 raised to power s is equal to 100. Then if you have a raised to power minus 1 over b, this is equal to 1 over a raised to power 1 over b. So this can be written as 16 over 16 raised to power 1 over x multiplied by 5 raised to power x is equal to 100. Let's multiply everything by what? 16 raised to power 1 over x. So this can be written as 16 over 16 raised to power 1 over x multiplied by 5 raised to power s multiplied by 16 raised to power 1 over x is equal to 100 multiplied by 16 raised to power 1 over x. This will cancel this. We have 16 multiplied by 5 raised to power s is equal to 100 multiplied by 16 raised to power 1 over x. Let's divide both sides of this equation by 16. This divided by 16, this divided by 16. This will cancel this. 4 here, 4, 4 here, 25. Then we have 5 raised to power s is equal to 25 multiplied by 16 raised to power 1 over s divided by 4. But (25) over 4 is equal to 5 square over 2 square, and this is equal to 5 over 2 all square. So we have 5 raised to power x is equal to 5 over 2 all square multiplied by 16 raised to power 1 over x. Let's multiply the exponent of both sides by x, that is 5 raised to power s to the power of s is equal to 5 over 2 square multiplied by 16 raised to power 1 over s to the power of x. Now from this rule that if you have a raised to power n to the power of m, this is equal to a raised to power nm. Then this can be written as, then 5 raised to power s squared is equal to 5 over 2 raised to power 2s multiplied by 16 raised to power 1 over s multiplied by x. This will cancel this. We have 5 raised to power s square is equal to 5 over 2 raised to power 2s multiplied by 16. Now also take note of this rule that if you have a over b raised to power of n, this is equal to a raised to power n over b raised to power n. Then this is 5 raised to power s square is equal to 5 raised to power 2s over 2 raised to power 2s multiplied by 16 is the same thing as 2 raised to power 4. Then this is, so let's consider the same base. We have 5 raised to power 2s square here, and this is 5 raised to power 2s. Here is 2 raised to power 2s, and this is 2 raised to power 4. So by comparing, we have 5 raised to power s square divided by 5 raised to power 2s is equal to 2 raised to power 4 divided by 2 raised to power 2x. And we already know that a raised to power n over a raised to power m is equal to a raised to power n minus m. Then we have 5 raised to power s square minus this is 2s is equal to 2 raised to power 4 minus 2x. Now let's take the log of both sides. Log 5 raised to power s square minus 2s is equal to log 2 raised to power 4 minus 2x. Then this is s square minus 2s log 5 is equal to 4 minus 2s log 2. Note log 5 is equal to log 10 over 2. This is equal to log 10 plus log 2. Then we have s square minus 2s multiplied by 1 minus log 2 is equal to 4 minus 2s log 2. Then this is s square minus 2s minus bracket. We have s square minus 2s log 2 is equal to 4 minus 2s log 2. Then from here we have s square minus 2s is equal to 4 minus 2s log 2 plus s square minus 2s log 2. Then let's consider this. This is equal to 4 minus 2x plus s square minus 2x log 2. Then this is equal to 4 minus 4x, that is 2s plus 2s. So, and with this sign, Then 4 minus 2s minus 2s, that is minus 4s plus s squared log 2. Then s squared minus 2s will be equal to, if you rearrange this, we have s squared minus 4s plus 4 log 2. Then this is s squared minus 2x is equal to, here is s minus 2 square log 2. Then from here, s is common. Let's bring it out. You have s bracket s minus 2 is equal to s minus 2 square log 2. Let's bring this to this side. We have s bracket s minus 2 minus bracket s minus 2 square log 2 is equal to 0. And this is s minus 2 is common. We have s minus 2 bracket s minus 2 log 2 is equal to 0. And from here, there are two cases here. S minus 2 is equal to 0, or s minus 2 log 2 is equal to 0. And from this case, s is equal to 2. This is the first value of s. So let's consider this. So this can be written as s minus s log 2 plus 2 log 2 is equal to 0. Now let's factor s out. Let's factor s out. S bracket 1 minus log 2 plus 2 log 2 is equal to 0. Now let's see. S bracket 1 minus log 2 is equal to minus 2 log 2. But we are looking for the value of s. Let's divide both sides of this equation by 1 minus log 2 divided by 1 minus log 2 divided by 1 minus log 2. This will cancel this. S is equal to minus 2 log 2 divided by 1 minus log 2. And this can be written as s is equal to 2 log 2 divided by log 2 minus 1. This is the final answer. Therefore, the value of x are s is equal to 2, then 2 log 2 over log 2 minus 1. Thank you for watching. Don't forget the step. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.